A motion to dismiss a wrongful death lawsuit involving the Sun Prairie explosion was denied today.
The widow of a firefighter who died in last year's explosion is seeking undisclosed damages. Our Keely Arthur was at the Dane County Courthouse. She joined us now with the very latest. Keely?
Well, it's been almost a year since that explosion in July, but the grief on Abby Barr's face still very fresh. She was quiet in court today and did not speak to us after following her attorney's orders, but lawyers on both sides of this lawsuit very vocal as a judge heard oral arguments for the first time today. Everyone agrees that on July 10th, 2018, Sun Prairie endured incredible devastation and loss.
This tragedy is really Sun Prairie's version of 9/11.
As for who is to blame, that's where the disagreements set in.
That's already been stopped.
Dane County Judge Valerie L. Bailey-Wren heard oral arguments in court today. Attorneys for Abby Barr, the widow of firefighter Captain Corey Barr, who died in the explosion, say a number of companies are responsible for the father of two's death. Michigan-based company VC Tech was doing contract work for Verizon Wireless, drilling underground for a fiber optics project when it hit a gas line. USIC Locating Services was tasked with marking the line, but failed to do so, leading a separate company, Bear Communications, to give VC Tech the okay to drill. Authorities say it's the string of miscommunications that led to the explosion, and Barr and her team say it's negligent. She is suing VC Tech, Bear Communications, USIC, and We Energies, which owns the gas line. Two other firemen injured that day are also part of the suit.
Based on the facts set forth in the complaint and all reasonable inferences drawn therefrom and the public policy factors in play, we think that Abby Barr, Greg Pavlik, Ryan Welch and April Welch are entitled to their day in court.
However, attorneys representing the companies argued the case to be dismissed, citing firefighters' rule, which prohibits a firefighter responder from recovering liability in connection to carrying out duties.
The negligence that necessitates the call, necessitates the fire person's presence at the scene is the same negligence which they allege to cause injury. They cannot bring a cause of action. The Supreme Court said that for almost 50 years.
The judge denied the motion, saying she needed more information to make a ruling on public policy, given the extraordinary circumstances of this case. The case will now move forward. Now, all of those companies were cleared of any criminal wrongdoing last year. Abby Barr actually being sued herself by the property owners of the Barr house. They say that she and Corey Barr failed to make several payments, so lots of loose ends to tie up in this very sad saga.
The story will continue to follow, of course. Keely Arthur, live downtown Madison. Keely, thank you. Turning to